In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should be using Lightroom presets, and I'm going to do it in under 3 minutes. So let's go. Howdy, 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 and welcome back. It's really corny, isn't it? Howdy, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the thumbnail. Surprised it actually grabbed you. I wasn't too happy with that thumbnail, but sure look. Anyway, I'm one of the lucky ones. I really am, where I get to be a full-time creator. I have a content agency based in the south of Ireland, and I do photography, videography, and podcast production. So I'm extremely humbled and I'm extremely grateful for the life I get to live. And I do on average of, it could be 3 to 5 to 6 or 7, if not 10 photo shoots a month. And then with photo shoots, you know yourself that it can be 1,000 photographs, 2,000 photographs per photo shoot. And then when you edit down for the client, there'll be 100 per photo shoot. And then I don't have time to be editing, let's say 900 photographs a month. If you give that, say, 1.5 to 2 minutes a photograph, who has time for that? So I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why you should be using presets. Reason number 1, it saves you time. First and foremost, it saves you time, plain and simple. With just one click, you can get the desired look that you want. If you've worked with this client before and you've used that color and they have that preset or they have that palette for their brand and logo, it's perfect. Number 2, they add consistency to your look across all platforms. So if you are a photographer, if you're an influencer, if you're a blogger, whatever you are, if you choose a preset that you like and you apply that to every photograph, over time, you're gonna see a consistent look on your grids, on your website, across all your platforms, and it looks uniform, it looks very professional, it looks class. Reason number 3, they're extremely easy to use. Extremely easy to use, even if you're new to Lightroom. Like, it's literally 2 or 3 clicks and it's done. Now obviously, once it's applied, you can mess around with the blacks and bring up the exposure. If you want to do a little back editing, fine. But if you are new to Lightroom, there is plenty, and I mean plenty of tutorials on YouTube for it. Reason number 4, they're completely affordable. There's tons of free ones online that you can just, if your favorite creators have free ones, also your favorite creators would have paid ones. It's going to cost you maybe $10 to $15 or euro, wherever you are based in the world. And then you'll get that kind of look that you love from that favorite creator of yours. And you can take that look and then adjust it to what you like and take the best from it for your profile. And reason number 5 is they're completely adjustable. They fit all types of photography, food photography, portraits, landscape. You take the look you want, you apply it to the photograph that you want to apply it to, and then you do a little back-end editing and make it fit your design and how you want it to look, and you're laughing. And a bonus reason is it supports the community. If you have a favorite photographer or videographer and you want to support them, what better way than buying LUTs or buying digital products off their websites? If you agree with me, like the video. I'd really appreciate the support. And if you disagree with me, let me know why in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.